Construction is hemorrhaging time and money, trapped in silos and misaligned incentives. National data sources show that buildings now cost double their inflation-adjusted value because overhead and non-value-added effort have exploded to more than 4 times their value. The result? Owners, developers, and their customers and taxpayers are losing and are forced to foot the bill. Waste is driving U.S. debt higher by $2 to $3 trillion a year, with construction alone contributing roughly $1 trillion annually. This win-lose game is sliding toward collapse and must be reversed.
But now, there's a win-win value-driven alternative. Rather than cost-plus and billable hours, teams are rewarded for eliminating waste and delivering measurable value. Lean has already proven it can shift from conflict into collaboration. Now, Lean 2.0, powered by knowledge, automation, and continuous measurable improvement, goes further, transforming complexity into clarity and waste into value and profit. That's where Building Catalyst comes in. It's construction's first intelligent automation system, built to put Lean 2.0 into practice. Here's how it works. Step 1. Balance the owner's business case, scope, and budget. Step 2. Eliminate over and undervalued budgets. Step 3. Drive out waste and risk through data-backed decisions. For the first time, a system replaces silos, linking planning, programming, design, and construction into one powerful integrated process. You don't have to wait for the industry to change. You can lead the change right now. Push start and see how your next project can be transformed. Move from win-lose to win-win. Visit us at genesisbc.build